Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove gear knob on this Ford Transit Connect. So it's an older version, and what you want to do is just turn it on the left and keep turning it until it's fully out. It does take a little bit turning, but as you can see, it's not that really hard. So you just keep it, and yeah, so as you can see, it's quite a long one, and this one is in a quite good shape. Okay, this car does not have that much kilometers, but if you want to change, so if you want to put it back, and I do kind of like the MK4 from the Focus, this version. It's, I don't know, I feel it kind of little bit better. So, but you can put that one as well. I just turn it all the way, and if this is something that you want to do, so everything works. You can or if you wanna just put the normal version and one that is not that bad, because these do tend to go out, same as the steering wheel. If you are like me and your hands do sweat a lot, it is something that will happen. So I hope this will help you. If you have any other question for how to connect Ford Transit Connect, I'm gonna be doing some dismantling of this car in next few weeks. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you in next one.